Please welcome the world's foremost authority, Professor Irwin Corey.
A little assist, Professor, come on over. Nice to see you. You have a seat right there. There you go. Just turn around there. Okay. So work out.
I was born in New York, and being born in New York was being wonderful because, you know, on a clear day, you could see where you live. You got to ask questions, not from those who seem to be in the place of authority, because they are only there due to the graciousness of the poor people who vote and don't know what they're voting for. And I know the fulfillment of our creation is based on the assumption. What was that question?
Well, no, that's either